In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and unlock multiple Google Sheets. This is an essential skill, particularly if you handle sensitive information that needs protection. Locking your Google Sheets can help you control who edits your documents, maintaining the integrity of your data. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open the Google Sheets document that you wish to secure. If it's a newly created sheet or an existing one, the process is the same. You want to make sure that the data you've worked hard on stays exactly how you intend it. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Data tab. This tab houses various data management tools, and it's your gateway to safeguarding your sheets. Once selected, navigate down to find the option Protect Sheets and Ranges. Click on it to begin the protection setup. You'll notice a pane pop up on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll be able to select which sheet or range you'd like to protect. Click on Add a Sheet or Range. This action lets you specify the exact parts of your document that you want to lock down. With that, you need to choose the Sheet option. This allows you to protect an entire sheet at once instead of just a specific range of cells. Selecting this option can be particularly useful if you frequently manage large datasets and want a straightforward way to ensure all data is consistently secure. Now, it's time to type in a description where prompted, such as locked from editing. Adding a clear description makes it easy to remember why specific protections were set up. Particularly if you're collaborating with others, this can provide context for those with access. After you've entered an appropriate description, the next step is to set permissions. Click on Set Permissions. This step is crucial as it determines who can edit the protected sheet and who cannot. Depending on your needs, you might allow everyone to view the sheet, but restrict editing capabilities to a select few. You have the flexibility to customize these settings based on your specific requirements. Once you've tailored the permissions to your liking, the final step is to click Done. By confirming these settings, the selected data is now locked down according to your specified rules. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to locking and unlocking multiple Google Sheets. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure that only authorized individuals can modify your data, protecting its integrity. Remember, revisiting and updating permissions as your project evolves is always a good practice. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you've gained valuable insight into managing your Google Sheets securely.